today we're going to Bornholm. And it looks like we don't even have to take too often. It's first time that we can go on the right course.
At least the first time while having Simone on board.
Yeah, that's nice.
And we're in Skillinge, and Bornholm is over there somewhere. And we just plotted it into our map, and it looks like it's actually only about 22 nautical miles in one straight line. So we're kind of surprised that it's actually quite close from where we are. So we hope that it's gonna be a nice sailing day. And today we have super nice wind from between 60 and 90 degrees.
Oh, we are actually quite lucky that we can cross this shipping route when it's almost empty for us. That is, yeah, just some good luck on the way to Bornholm. Hallo, hallo. Das ist Skipper Paul speaking. We are well on our way to Bornholm. The weather when we land will be 9 degrees and very nice southeasterly wind, or maybe northeasterly wind, I don't know, about 16 knots. And I can recommend you the ice cream when you get in harbour. See you then.
Today we're going to Allinge, and on the way we're gonna see Hammershus
Hammershus.
and the rocks from the water.
That is an old castle, I've heard.
Yes, exactly.
So this is the northern tip of Bornholm on Saturday the
12th? 13th?
11th, no, 13th. Yeah, Saturday the 13th of May 2023. We have 4 knots of boat speed and going directly at a big ship which is not moving. So doesn't matter. The wind angle is 30 degrees from starboard. The rope from the foresail is 2 times winded around the winch. This is the person who did that. This is how a passenger on board this ship looks like. So how cool is that? We're just outside of Hammershus and enjoying this beautiful view of the old castle. We should get there by foot and explore it also from top then. Bye bye Desiree. And in the far distance a castle appears.
16. Okay. 16 and a half. No, goddamn, okay.
What are you negotiating?
The price of entry.
Okay.
And the new cashier in town. You pay 20 kronas.
No.
Non-negotiable.
15.
20.
14.
20.
14. So today we're sailing with a big crew. We're 5 people on board, and we have a mobile office with us, and are about to go for a drone flying action.
We have 2 very competent drone flyers here.
Yeah, no idea what we're doing.
They feel very confident today, as you can see on their faces.
Let's go backwards a little bit. Back it up.
Johannes, how confident do you feel about catching the drone?
From 1 to 10? 4? Measures are made.
This is the
Kannst sogar
first,
hier innen stehen.
the first and only attempt to catch Johannes' drone.
Ah, there.
Paul has agreed to take over the steering. Let's see how it goes. Wasser, Johannes, warte!
Okay, komm runter.
I got the bug.
Okay.
Very confident. It's now a 5 out of 10. On the next.
We met the most talkative ducks ever. Oh, now they're going wild. Okay, doing a little synchronous turning dance. I like it.
On Bornholm we had a great time. In Svaneke we were in a candy factory and saw with our own eyes how you produce candy, and especially the lemon candy that is that has a structure inside. That was very interesting. It's a nice machine and nice people who do that.
Also in Svaneke we got to witness the traditional chicken shit competition that was luckily being held on one of the days we were there, and actually one of our crew members, Jascha, won a t-shirt by putting her money on number 26, so we can really recommend that for anyone visiting Svaneke. Today we left Svaneke, which is down here, and we're going to Christiansø, which is this tiny little island up here, or a tiny little group of islands actually. There isn't really a harbour as far as we can see, but you can kind of put your boat in between two of the small islands.
At the end of the Bornholm time, we saw a good weather window to sail back to Swedish mainland, and on that day we logged more than 50 miles, 55 miles, which was a long day and kind of exhausting, but it was nice sailing and we had a good time on the water.
Very healthy food.
Some vitamins, some proteins, some healthy fats, some taste.
Okay, I'm changing my course. Thank you.
Okay, so we have a quick status update. We now sailed about 47 miles, I would say.
You want to know exactly?
Yes, please tell me.
48.7.
48.7 miles already. And we are close to Karlskrona. The crew is happy. Most of the crew is happy. Just navigating ourselves into the harbour.